What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel The Go Lad. This is your boy Ganesh Waker, and I'm back with a new video. And guys, I've got a good thing to announce. I'm going to be announcing the winner of the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. Guys, you know the process, you know how it works. Always remember to subscribe to the channel. Guys, if this video gets 500 thumbs up, I will do another giveaway on the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners, guys. So smash the thumbs up button. Hit the bell notification. Also, in the comment section down below, write down which shoe you would like me to do a giveaway on next. Which shoe or which gadget or which tech related thing you'd like me to do a giveaway on next. Please do write it down in the comment section so I know what you guys would want and I can give back to y'all. So the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner, really revolutionary from Kanye. Just the way that he set it up and the time that he released them. Because at that time, all the shoes were going for prime knit, they were going for knit technologies, fly knit, so that shoes were becoming lighter and more sleek and more slim. But Kanye comes and throws in the Wave Runner out of nowhere. Everybody hates it at the start, and now everybody's loving it. So he really is a pioneer. He can see what the trends will be like in the future. And now the 700s are even one of my favorite silhouettes to be out there from the Yeezy line. Also guys, the Yeezy 700's value on StockX is pretty stable. It is pretty much still on the higher end of things, so the StockX value of the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners is really good. So when you get these shoes, it is going to be definitely a head turner, and if it's not your cup of tea, you can make a good buck out of it. तो वैसे भी उसके colors भी बहुत different है. It's quite a different sneaker compared to the rest of the things. And I love how bold this colorway is. So guys, the winner of the Wave Runner giveaway is Anaisi. Congratulations Anaisi. I really do hope you enjoy these. And I really do hope that you put them through the grind, because these are definite head turners. And guys, do write down in the comment section which sneaker you'd like to see more, and smash the thumbs up button for 500 likes, and I will do another giveaway on the Wave Runner 700. So this has been amazing. Thank you all for the support, the strongest YouTube family, and we will be back with more sneakers and more tech. So this is your boy the Goa Lad, and until next time, peace!